would you look at who's back with a new video? Finally. Can we appreciate my nails? I think the fuck not. Let's get started. All I'm doing here is a super quick brow. I actually recommend that you just use brow gel instead of filling them in, because the face paint might mess up the tail of your brow like it did mine. I guess you live and learn. Now I'm just cleaning up my brow. Like I said, just brush some brow gel through there. It'll look a lot better. It'll be quicker, but this isn't the video because I'm just showing you guys my process. Now I'm just taking this water activated face paint. I'm taking a pink one from Maron, the best, and I'm just placing that on my cheekbones, on my temples, outer corner of my eye. I'm blending it out with a Real Techniques blending sponge, and any harsh edges that I have, I just buff out with whatever's left on my foundation brush, and it is the best trick I have ever learned. Are we picking brown or brown? We're picking brown. Sorry about that. I don't know what came over me. Anyway, basically all I'm going to be doing here is a warm tone smoky eye. I'm using orange soda as my transition, and then I'm going to be going in with Morocco, also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just going to be focusing it in my crease. You know, the usual. Just highlighting and concealing under my eye. I use this for both because I'm yellow as bleep bloop bleep and it matches me perfectly. But I'm just doing this before I apply the lid color and before I smoke out the shadow on my lower lash line. Just taking caramel from ABH, and I'm building that up on the inner and outer corners, and you just keep blending until your eye feels raw. Finally, the lid color. The exciting part is almost here. Now I'm just blending out any harsh edges with whatever is left over on my foundation brush. Works like a charm. Yes, the glitter is the most important part of the look. It is crucial that when you're applying glitter, you convince yourself that it is your last day on this earth, and you just keep applying glitter, 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 glitter. I'm so sorry I'm like this. Anyway, face paint. You don't need face paint for this, but I just really enjoy applying products with brushes. But you can use eyeliner, cream liner, a black lip pencil, whatever works best for you. All that I'm doing though is for the messier dots, I just push down on my brush and well, it just makes a messier dot. That's it. And for the tiny dots, I just go in very, very lightly with the very tip of my brush. Are you ready for the tip of a lifetime blemish? Conceal it with a dot or a freckle. XOXO Shalissa. Gilded Honey by Laura Geller. Somebody call NASA, a new star is spotted. Oh my God. And now for the last step, I'm just applying matte liquid lipstick on my busted lips, and that's it. I don't know what to call this. What would you name this? My dad calls it terrifying. My mom calls it haz lo que tú quieres, yo siempre te apoyo. Thanks, Mom. In other words, that means I love you and support you, but we're not going to Golden Corral with that face on. Yeah, okay, Mom. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, give it a comment, give me a subscribe, give me a kiss. Just kidding. No, I'm not. Bye, guys.